recently, our recent research actually was focusing on one of the Salmonella types, which causes disease in people. This Salmonella type is called as Salmonella Kentucky and is commonly found in the U.S. poultry and the poultry environment. So when we look at this type and its resistance to antibiotics in the U.S. poultry, we find that this type is not particularly resistant to fluoroquinolone antibiotic, which actually are used in people for treating infections, not only with Salmonella but with also other bacteria. And then when we look at the human side of the same Salmonella type, we tend to find a lot of resistance to this fluoroquinolone antibiotic. So obviously the question to us was, why are we finding resistant type in the human, whereas we are not finding the same resistant type in poultry? So when we looked further into this question using some of the advanced technologies such as next generation sequencing, what we are finding now is that this resistant type is actually coming from international sources. So people are traveling, they're traveling to Middle East, they're traveling to India and few other countries, and as they come back, when they travel, they eat food, and when they come back, within a week or so, they're sick with this Salmonella, which they have picked up from the international sources, which tends to be very, very resistant to fluoroquinolones. So it has opened up our eyes about how we need to be thinking about resistance. Is it the domestic animal agriculture the primary source of infection with resistant types, or are there more sources such as international travel which could bring in a lot of the resistant bacteria into the country?